Hi, my name is Jack Broing, and I'm going to talk in this video about Google Photos and some of the settings you can change on your Android phone. Google Photos is an app that's very handy for archiving your photos to the Google Cloud. Once you have everything set up correctly, all you have to do is take the photos and Google Photos will do the rest. In this video, we'll look at how to check to see which account your photos are being backed up to, and we'll also look at how to prevent Google Photos from using your cell phone data plan to back up your photos. We'll also look at how to delete photos on your phone once they've been backed up to photos.google.com. If you don't periodically delete the photos from your phone, you will run out of memory and not be able to download new phone apps or even take more photos. So let's get started. The first thing I want to do is find the Google Photos app on your phone. The icon for the app looks like the pinwheel shown here. Click on the pinwheel and you will see a screen that looks something like this. In the upper right-hand corner of the Google Photos screen, click on the circular icon, which in this case has a photo in it. This will show more options that we will discuss on the next slide. When you take a photo on your phone, it will be transmitted to the Google account that you have indicated here. Note that if you have multiple Google accounts, you can select the one that you prefer to have your photos saved to. If your phone is currently backing up photos, it will show the status here. One of the best features of Google Photos is the free up space option. When you use this option, the app checks to see if the photo has been backed up to photos.google.com in the account you specified, and it will delete it from your phone if it has been backed up. What's most intriguing about this is that even after you use the free up space option, you can still see the deleted photos on your phone. The photo settings will be explored a bit more on the next slide. If you click on the Photo Settings option, you'll get some new options. Clicking on the Backup and Sync will give you the Backup and Sync menu. To ensure that your photos are being backed up, you want to slide this switch to the right to the on position. A very important option is the Cell Data Usage option. Normally, you'd want the photos on your phone backed up to photos.google.com over Wi-Fi so that you don't use up data on your cell phone plan. Clicking the Cell Data Usage option will present you with the Cell Data Usage menu. These switches should be set to the left in the off position so your photos are not backed up using your cell phone data plan. If you have an unlimited data plan, you might move them to the right so even when you are not connected to your Wi-Fi, your photos will be backed up. So you may be wondering where your photos go when they're backed up. I would suggest that you sit down at your computer and open up a web browser such as Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, or Safari on a Mac. Type photos.google.com into the address bar. This will take you to the Photos page for the Google account you're signed into. You may have to sign into the appropriate account if you do not see the photos you are expecting. To see what account you're signed into, click on the small icon on the upper right of the Photos page. This might be your picture if you've uploaded one to your Google account, or simply the first initial of your name if you have not uploaded a photo. If the account is different than the account you're signed into on your phone, you will need to change it to the same account. Here are some things to try to see if Google Photos is set up correctly. Take a photo from your phone. Then locate the Google Photos app on your phone and open it. Check to make sure that your photo is in Google Photos. Go to a computer and navigate to photos.google.com and find the photo you just took. If you cannot find it, you may have to wait a bit for it to be uploaded from your phone. Also, check to make sure that you're logged into the same account on your computer as you are on your phone. Lastly, if you feel brave, you might also try the free up space option. This will free up space on your phone for more apps and photos. Make sure, though, before you free up space that the photos have indeed been backed up. Good luck. Hope you enjoyed the video.